The Symetrix xIO Bluetooth RCA-3.5 is a flexible, dual-gang Dante endpoint providing the convenient combination of Bluetooth audio plus RCA and 3.5mm connections. Using a modern, full-featured Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, the xIO Bluetooth RCA-3.5 offers extended range, a stable connection, and world-class audio quality. The stereo RCA and 3.5mm analog audio inputs and outputs allow convenient connection of a variety of user-supplied devices. Available in black or white, the xIO Bluetooth RCA 3.5 has a clean, sleek design and is compatible with standard dual-gang US wall boxes with Decora faceplates. Perfect for conferencing, hospitality, education, or house of worship use, the IP control and PoE power simplify installation by allowing a single cable connection to a PoE-enabled network switch. The xIO Bluetooth RCA 3.5 may be configured to allow media-only connectivity, phone bridge connectivity, or both, while the analog I/O can be configured to use the RCA 3.5mm or various mono-SUM combinations. All aspects of the device can be controlled using Symetrix remotes, SimView touchscreen panels, or user devices. The xIO Bluetooth RCA 3.5 is a fully integrated member of the Symetrix xIO family of Dante endpoints, allowing complete configuration, including Dante routing, from within Symetrix Composer software.